is quantum mechanical consideration subatomic particles. Quantum mechanical consideration subatomic particles. In this concept, why quantum mechanical consideration of subatomic particles is developed? Okay, this is developed. Quantum mechanical consideration of subatomic particle concept is developed on the basis of two theories: dual behavior of matter, one concept, and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These two concepts helps to develop the quantum mechanical consideration of subatomic particles. What is the need of quantum mechanical consideration of subatomic particles is the Bohr model is fails. We know the limitations of Bohr model from the previous class. Okay, on that context, we know to deal that problem, okay, quantum mechanical consideration of subatomic particle is arises. So Bohr model, finally what I am saying is Bohr model is failed, then quantum mechanical subatomic particle concepts is introduced. It was introduced by the basic concepts, This is developed by basic concept, dual behavior of the matter and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These two ideas are helps to develop that one. So in this concept, first of all we focus dual behavior of matter. What it considers. Okay, dual behavior of matter. Then we discuss, we focus uncertainty principle later. Okay, what it is? Dual behavior of matter. What is the meaning of dual behavior of matter? The main idea of dual behavior of matter. We know from the previous classes, electromagnetic radiation has dual character. Electromagnetic radiation shows dual nature. That is particle and wave nature. We know. Okay. Electromagnetic radiation shows dual nature, that is particle and wave nature, we know. Then dual behavior of matter is first introduced by the de Broglie. Okay, de Broglie is the scientist which is introduced the concept. Not only the electromagnetic radiation have dual nature, but particles are also shows the dual behavior. Okay, any particle shows the dual behavior. Like electron has mass and it shows the dual behavior. Not only light, electron shows the dual behavior, and some smaller mass containing particles which also shows the dual behavior. So why can't shows the dual behavior with large particles? Like any ball, like moving balls or any vehicles, is it they shows the dual behavior? No. We can observe, like let us take an example. Ball. Okay, when you are playing with the ball, small ball, it has velocity and mass. It is a particle. Okay, like particle we treat it as. Okay, but it should not have wave nature. It should not have wave nature. Why? Okay, we can show these some more examples on that regarding. Okay, then we can understand betterly why smaller particles, electron, like smaller mass containing particles only shows the dual nature. Dual nature, like as electromagnetic radiation shows. Okay, why we cannot expand this principle for larger particles like cricket ball or something else. Okay, why it is only valid for this smaller particles and why it is not valid for the bigger particles, laterally we know. Okay, on this context, de Broglie has introduced one principle, dual behavior of the matter, lambda is equal to h by p. Lambda is equal to h by p. What is the meaning of these terms? H means Planck constant. Okay, Planck's constant. Planck's constant. P is momentum of particle. Because this principle for dual behavior of matter, for the mass containing one has shows the momentum. Okay, that is the reason why momentum of particle. Okay, lambda means wavelength. Okay, wavelength. Next, what is the means of P? P is equal to momentum is equal to m into v. Mass into velocity is known as momentum of that particle. Okay, next, P is equal to m into v. Okay, momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Okay, de Broglie has introduced this one. Let us take an example. Electron shows the dual behavior. We know electron has particle nature. Electron is a particle nature, and a beam of electrons means a large quantity of electrons. A beam of electrons. Okay, they shows diffraction. Beam of electrons shows diffraction. So diffraction is the wave characteristic. That is the reason why electron shows dual behavior. Okay, we know electron has mass. That is the reason why electron is a particle. Then electrons, a beam of electrons means a beam of electrons shows diffraction. Then we say it has wave nature also. That is the reason why we call it as wave nature also. They shows. Let us take some more examples. Regarding why smaller particles shows the wave nature. Why not bigger particles? Let us take an example, then we can solve it. Dual behavior of matter. In this context, there are two more problems. Let us focus these two problems which they are given in NCERT textbook. From that, what will be the wavelength of a ball of mass 0.1 kg moving with velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay, For this calculation, we know the formula lambda is equal to h by mv from the de Broglie's concept. Then we can straight away substitute this one. The values are fixed. H value we know 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules per second. Okay, this is the fixed value. Okay, next H value is fixed value. Next, mass 0.1 kg and okay, velocity 10 meter per second. Then substituting all these things, you can get this one. 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 meters lambda. Okay, this is small. You cannot represent it as nanometers or picometers. So this is very small. Okay, this is very small value. Okay, this is small value, and it is insignificant. Because of this small value, we can say it is insignificant. It is not a significant value. Insignificant. Insignificant value. It's very low value. Lambda for 0.1 kg means 100 grams, I think. 100 grams ball. Okay, ball having the wavelength is very less. Okay, that wavelength is very small, considerably very small. Okay, this is very small and insignificant. So what they are saying is, like ball like items has some mass, but the wave nature is present, but the wave nature is insignificant or very less. So it is not countable. It is not countable for the ball like particles. Wavelength is there, but it is insignificant and it is not countable. So that is the reason why they are saying. What about the smaller particles, electrons wavelength? The mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. If its Ke is 3.0 into 10 to the power of minus 25 joules, calculate its wavelength. Okay, Ke is equal to half mv square, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Next, from this formula you can calculate, you can write V. So in this way. Next we can also write like V in this form. Then substitute all those things, then you can calculate the V. Okay, to kinetic energy 3.0 into 10 to the power of minus 25. Okay, meter square and second inverse divided by mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31. Okay, square root is indicated by 1 by 2. Then velocity they are calculated 812 meter per second. Then they substituted here lambda is equal to h by mv. H value is fixed 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Mass and velocity is here. Then you got 8967 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. That is simplified as 896.7 nanometers. Okay, finally we got wavelength of electron from this calculation is 896.7. Okay, nanometers. Let us compare the wavelengths of a cricket ball and electron. The wave nature is significant value here, 896. It is a considerable value wavelength, but here the wavelength is minus 34 in terms of 10 to the power of minus 34. It is very less and insignificant. That is the reason why they are repeatedly saying that wave nature of electron, like smaller particles, we can predict, but we cannot say wave nature of larger particles. Okay, that is the reason why they are saying de Broglie concept. Finally, what it says is dual behavior of the matter. The heading is dual behavior of the matter. Matter with a smaller mass. Has velocity. Okay, velocity and their lambda. Okay, with smaller mass contains particle nature and wave nature. Whereas bigger particles, they only particle nature only. They cannot show the wave nature. The wave nature is insignificant. Because it is very low. That is the way of de Broglie as dealing with this concept.